Engineering, it gives you an opportunity to express like your ideas and your creativity in a way and like, put it into the physical world and make it work.
I think what I like most about the engineering program is that there's something in it for everybody. Like a lot of people think that engineering is just math, but we actually have a bunch of different activities that we do. And I think that even if you don't even want to be an engineer, I think that you can definitely find something in the program that interests you and is going to help you build skills that are going to benefit you.
In engineering, we do a bunch of different projects throughout the year. There's robotics, programming, CO2 cars, puzzle cubes, electricity, and all these different things help build your understanding of the real world and how they interact with each other and interact with people on a daily basis.
I think, honestly, the same reason that I just said, that like anybody can be able to find something in it. Like we do aerospace flight simulations and 3D modeling and designing and building robots and hydrogen fuel cell cars. Like we do a bunch of different activities. So I think even if you wanted to be a pilot or I just think that there's a lot of careers that you can work into finding something in engineering that's going to actually benefit you in the long run and enhance your time at East River. You don't actually have to do anything to, you don't have to have any prerequisites to join the robotics team or any prior experience. The only thing is if you're starting out as a first year, we have 3 different teams. So we have an A, B, and a C team. And depending on your skill level, you'll probably join the B or C team your first year, but you still do all of the same things and work towards the same goals and competitions and everything like that. It's just you're also probably going to be working with a little bit of less experienced people, but especially if you're coming in as a freshman and you can start building your team early, then you guys are definitely going to be able to progress and get to that A team pretty quickly. So.
Our teachers, Mr. Chambliss and Mr. McCormick, and all the other students and the different challenges that we face. You want to rise up and beat every challenge that is presented to you.
I think something that definitely inspires me to do my best is the teachers that actually help us in this program, because they definitely, they don't want mediocrity, but they're going to help you get to a place where you can excel. So the only thing required of you coming into this program is that you're going to be able to put in the effort and that you're willing to actually strive for your best, and they're going to help you get to your best, and they're going to push you, but it's not, again, they're going to help you along the way. So I think that's really encouraged me and inspired me during my time in the program.
It's given me, robotics has given me a team to work with, and they teach me a bunch of different things. I am a programmer of one of our teams. I basically just give the robot life. I make it run. My teammates build it and make sure everything stays together, and I give it all the code that it needs to do what it's supposed to do. And we have a competition set for January 6th, I believe. And we go to different schools, and I think this one's in Apopka. So we'll travel to Apopka all day and do this one. And then when we're done, we just head back.
I think being a part of the robotics team has definitely helped me, because it's helped me find kind of a community within the engineering program. And also, I think you can't really go wrong doing an engineering program, because it teaches you more how to think and work through challenges as they arise and overcome new obstacles, even if you don't know that they're going to come up going into it. So I think that it really would benefit you in any class or circumstance in general to have that training that engineering is going to give you, because I just think that it's been really beneficial for me learning in other classes, even how to just adapt to new situations and always be striving for my best. So I think the coolest robot we did was probably my sophomore year, because we just had so many different tasks with that challenge. The past 2 challenges that we've had have kind of been one main task, and the goal of the game is to do everything as quickly as possible, but it's the same task. Whereas the robot my sophomore year, we had to flip caps, we had to stack things, we had to climb a platform, shoot flags. And that year we actually, my team made it to the World Championship, so we got to travel to Kentucky and stay there for 5 days and see a bunch of different robots from all over the country, and even learn some about other cultures while we were there as well. So that was really awesome.
I want to be a robotic engineer.
I want to do missions, but I want to get a civil engineering degree so I can build wells and clean water systems and things like that. So